Hey guys, today we are in BMW. This is E84 X1 and I'm going to show you how to perform navigation maps update. First thing that you want to do is turn on the car and wait a few seconds for the navigation to start. And we are going to check what navigation systems do we have over here and what's the maps version. So we are pressing the nav button, then options. We have a screen like here. And this is in German, but the important thing is to go all the way down to the end of the list and you have the navigation version information over here. So go over here and there are two important things. First is the motion. This is the map's name. This is correlated with the navigation system that we have over here. This is the CIC low system, and there's a link in the description below to check what code names of the navigation maps are related to which navigation system. And the second important thing is the map version over here. As you can see, it's fresh because we are already after the update, but before I have updated the system we had something that was few years old. So now that you know which navigation system you have and what's the database version of your navigation system, is it old and you want to upgrade it, now you can get new maps. The important thing is that the code name of the maps match your car. So here we have motion, and only motion maps will work in this car. You can buy those maps, you can borrow them, because you only need the drive for the update. There's no need to have it after that, so we can buy second-hand drives with the map updates, or you can borrow one if you happen to know somebody that has those. You will also need an activation key code for the maps, and this is related not only to the maps version or not only to the car, but to the combination of those two. There are services that you can buy the activation key code from. You only have to provide the vehicle identification number of your car, and they will look through the BMW official database, check which system you have and what's the activation code for your car for those maps. Or you can generate this code yourself. I'm not 100% sure if this is legal, but there are free code generators that work on Windows, Mac and Linux, so that's completely up to you. And to use those generators you need to extract one file from your navigation system. You can do it with the eNet cable. There's a link below this video to a tutorial how to make your own eNet cable for like $5, or you can use a small program, a special tool that you need to copy to your USB drive and plug it into your car, and after 30 seconds it will extract this file for you. So that's a much simpler way, but not always it works. It works only in cars that had the software update option in the iDrive menu. So if you have both the USB drive with new maps and the activation key code, you can perform the update. So what you're going to do is open the glovebox, and there's a small USB port over there that you are supposed to use only for the software and maps updates. And as soon as you connect your USB drive to it, it will detect that there's new update available. You will see a prompt on the screen, and if you agree to update your maps, you will be asked to enter the key code. After you enter it, and if it's correct, the procedure will start, or in most cases it starts, because in this car, when I performed this procedure, I happened to stumble on a difficulty. The update stopped as soon as I stopped the car. Even if the engine was on, the ignition was on, update was only performed when the car was actually moving. So as soon as I'm stuck in traffic, the update stops. I believe that the navigation system is preparing for the whole system, for the whole car to be turned off. All the systems will be turned off soon. And it stops the procedure just to make sure that it will not be interrupted by some power outtake. So it took about 40 minutes of driving back and forth through the empty roads. The cool thing is that you don't have to wait for the procedure to end if you want to already use the maps. as soon as the procedure started, I was able to use new maps, and when switching to the map view, I saw some roads that were unavailable on the old version. So that's a cool thing, that you don't have to wait those 40 minutes. You can perform this update while you are driving and use the maps, and even though the procedure is already happening and it's not over yet. So when the procedure is done, all you have to do is disconnect the USB drive, turn off the car, and that's it. Next time you enter your car, you can just use the navigation as normal and everything should work. For more information, you can check the description below this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and subscribe for future tutorials. See you soon.